Assalamu alaikum Jama. Today the 30th of September. We'll do a short video of the work, how far I don't go. We'll start first inside the off floor. If you see the arch, the pillar there, they're all long complete. As you can see from the top, all long complete. And now inside, non complete. So that side in don't do wait no more now for the roofing. But for now, they see some high on the way they left some space. Now they see some higher. Now even when the car roof, then go roof. But anytime where they want for pull life, the Jama don't boku for the next decade. If they want for continue back for add another structure on top, then can do one back. Then can just pull the roof and continue your plants there wire and then continue with that. So now how far the inside don't go in don't complete. The outside here within at this side, we side and get for put the dome. The dome of when see where this thing round, would I can remember we know about the mocks. You can know say any mocks can get a dome. When along something it go up, then I then can put something like the moon or the star. And this side when I see how large it is, not too easy work. Therefore happen here because therefore need a whole lot of concrete. Because how then they round and so they don't start for round out na see, na so then they go to up. So now a whole lot of work. Where be say how you see them high on the house where them bend. Now there where I get for go up. From there they get for concrete, and then the concrete until go up to the height where the engineer go want. You know. So this now the site for the dome. See how big. And this dome here so now two of them get for the two of them get for the. If you see over yonder na the back get forget this same type way they are, this same type na ya, this dome. In same type get for day na that other one. Yonder step no they na make cannot go do for go day now. I for don't go and show na how they did. But it not get step. You know. But the same type way they are na for the so now two of this na for the two doom na for the one they did this side of the line and the other one they did at the back. We na under so now two doom get for the we get for need a very serious work and a very good concrete. For now see the space a big this circle like very big circle, you know. So this down there for the dome. Now we come to waiting and call the parapet. The parapet. If they see, yeah, back then on the lay board outside. This then and call the parapet. The parapet now when in the roof, outside the board then get for lap outside. Itself need a concrete and get for bilam. They higher ya one at the sea. Now then get for bend. Then higher ya get for bend and layer on top, plant and back with iron rod and concrete. So that when in the roof, then get for use. Now they on top then the board then get for the lap. So now then call the parapet. Itself they go right round. Right round. I see how big the mocks they. Right round, come to this other edge, you know. So in here for go right round, that na the parapet. And yes, I don't say na the dome. Na the dome this. So two of these na in for the na. One the day here, one the day na the back. As I don't say I'm not going to go na the back now because they are not going to for claim leather no day. So I only able for claim now. When at this one where they side by the line side and get a leather for claim. So now how far the work don't go as of today. I want to tell you now, thank you. Wassalam.